I can't go out Mechanicsburg, Anchorage, and Dar es Salaam. We're over in New York with champagne and disco, tapes from LA/San Francisco, but actually Oakland and Alameda. Your girl's in Berkeley with a communist reader. Mine was in tune with a boombox and Walkman. I was a horrible girl, that was back then. The gloves are off, the wisdom teeth are out. What you on about? I feel it in my bones, I feel it in my bones. I'm stronger now, I'm ready for the house. Such a modest mouth, I can't do it alone, I can't do it alone. Every time I see you in the world, you always step to my girl. Ancestors told me the beggar was better. She's richer than creases, she's tougher than leather. I just ignored all the tales of a past life. Said conversation deserves but a bread knife. And punks who would laugh when they saw us together, well, they didn't know how to dress for the weather. I could still see them there huddled on Astor, snow falling slow to the sound of the master. The gloves are off, the wisdom teeth are out. What you on about? I feel it in my bones, I feel it in my bones. Stronger now, I'm ready for the house. Such a modest love, I can't do it alone, I can't do it alone. Wisdom's a gift, but you traded for youth. Age is an honor, it's still not the truth. See the stars from away. You curse the sun when it stepped to your girl. Maybe she's gone and I can't resurrect her. The truth is she doesn't need me to protect her. We know the true death, the true way of our friends. Everyone's dying, girl, you're not all dead. Gloves are off, the wisdom teeth are out. What you on about? I feel it in my bones, I feel it in my bones. I'm stronger now, I'm ready for the house. Such a modest mouth, I can't do it alone, I can't do it alone. Gloves are off, the wisdom teeth are out. What you on about? I feel it in my bones, I feel it in my bones. I'm stronger now, I'm ready